Hello, my name's Terry McKenna. I'm a Mokuhanga artist. I've been making Mokuhanga for more than 20 years. Before that, I was trained as an oil painter. I've taught art for many years, and I've taught Mokuhanga both in Australia, where I'm from, and here in Japan, where I'm now based, for more than 10 years. I've written a series of books on Mokuhanga. This video is an introduction to the books and what they're about. This book, Mokuhanga Fundamentals, is a comprehensive step-by-step guide of the basic multicolour, multi-block Mokuhanga printing technique. Step by step, it takes you through the process from understanding your materials, designing your print, transferring the design, carving and printing. As well, it has helpful information on problems that you'll face along the way, how to overcome them, information about teachers, learning resources, materials and other resources that will be helpful for you as a beginner. This has been written for beginners who may have zero knowledge or understanding of the technique, and it's intended to give you a strong foundation from which to go on to make your own creative prints. Creative print has been written with the assumption that you already know how to make Mokuhanga. It's full of ideas and techniques that have never before been published in English, including design and transfer ideas, extending your carving technique, and introducing printing techniques that will bring your prints to a new level of complexity and beauty. Also, there are several case studies of contemporary Mokuhanga artists whose work illustrate the techniques that are included in this book. The book has been written to help Mokuhanga artists who extend their work and produce more beautiful and complex Mokuhanga. Over the years, I've personally taught a number of children's groups Mokuhanga. The techniques that are included in here have all been used and trialed by myself in a classroom setting. In Japan, almost all people have done Mokuhanga in primary school. And there's a long tradition of including woodblock print, both as a cultural touchstone and as an art experience for children. The book introduces a number of safe techniques for children that have never before been published in English. As with the other books, it's been designed to make it easy to grasp and produce Mokuhanga using these techniques, as well as specifically for people who want to teach it. This is the first of its kind in Mokuhanga books. It also includes case studies of real-life classes that different artists have been teaching Mokuhanga to children, and, like the other books, information on tools, materials, resources, and easy maintenance for the classroom teacher. And this is another book with material that's never been published before. There's a lot of information about sharpening tools on the internet, for example, which is either contradictory or misleading. In this book, I've assembled techniques and a step-by-step guide to sharpening a range of different tools specific to Mokuhanga. As in the other books, it includes step-by-step processes, information guides, materials and resources, as well as maintenance of your sharpening stones. Although it's been written specifically for Mokuhanga tools, any other carving tools can use these techniques to achieve perfect sharp edge and improve the results of your carving. When I was starting to learn, I really wished I had a book like this that told me how to make a Mokuhanga print. I wanted to write a book that really gave you a comprehensive guide, step-by-step information about how to actually make your Mokuhanga print. All of my experience learning, first of all by myself and under the guidance of a highly skilled teacher, have been included in these books. When I was young, before the age of the internet, the way to learn was through an instruction book. These books were laid out in a certain way with step-by-step guide, photographs and clear instructions on how to make something. I've based the design and the layout of these books on that kind of instruction book. They're really intended to be a very practical and helpful guide on how to actually make Mokuhanga. I know these books have been popular and are being sold all over the world. I hope you can get your copy and either learn how to make Mokuhanga from the start, or improve the Mokuhanga that you're already making, or do both. Thank you very much.